This is an English reader. Reader name is A Cook in a Hurry. This is a scarlet parrot. It has many colors. These are two hoods and their color is gray. This is a shelf. These are spices jars. These are two sauces bottles. One is falling down. This is a pot. Its color is green. This is a fish. Its color is gray. The fish is in the pot. This is a pot. Its colors are pink and orange. The pot is on the stove. This is oven. This is a pot. Its color is blue. This is another pot. These are vegetables. This is a frying pan. Its colors are gray and black. The pan is on the stove. This is a cook. Cook is wearing uniform. His uniform color is white. Cook is standing on the floor. He is catching a spice jar.